Alright, so to finish the ordered pairs, we're going to plug 5 in for x, and we're going to try to figure out what y is. So y equals 1 over 5 times x, which x is 5, and then minus 1. When we have a fraction next to an integer, you move the integer up with the top. So 1 times 5 is 5, divided by 5, and then minus 1. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, minus 1 means that y equals 0. So we fill in 0 for y. We're going to do the same thing for the other point. This time x is 0, and we're going to figure out what y is. So I'm going to do y equals 1 over 5 times 0 minus 1. And the 0 multiplies up with the top, so 1 times 0 is 0. 0 divided by 5 is still 0. So what you have is 0 minus 1, and 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So we have negative 1 for y. Then you use the graphing tool. We're going to graph 5, 0, over here, 5, 0 is the first point, and 0, negative 1 is the second point, and it should automatically draw in a straight line. My line's not going to be straight because I'm freehanding it. Make sure it just goes through those 2 points and you've got your line.